got 15,000 miles on the Trailmax Missions, and they're probably good for at least another 3,000 or 4,000. So to get 18 to 20,000 miles out of a set of tires is pretty amazing.
Went up to Alaska in 2022, ended up with 14,000 on them, probably could have got another 3,000 out of them.
I ride a 2018 BMW R1200 GS. The back tire had over 14,000 miles on it, and still had tread left. I probably could have gotten out here, but I went ahead for safety and replaced them, and highly recommend them. I usually get about 8,000 miles or so on a set of tires, and I say I've got over 14,000 on these, and they're keeping going.
I have a R1250 GSA. I've got the Trailmax Missions on them. I've got over 10,000 miles on them, and they're still going strong. I'm thinking I might end up with at least 15,000 miles on them before I have to change them.